Welcome everyone to Planet Papas. Today we are going down to Lamai. I know we're not in Lamai at the moment, but we're heading there very shortly. It's going to be a long walk going down Lamai, enjoying the beach. So it's going to be you, me, let's go! This is Lamai Beach. Alright, here we are starting at Lamai and starting at the Pavilion. I always start here for some reason. Great hotel to stay in. I did a review of this hotel. Beautiful place. So I have to tell you, Lamai is looking very busy today. I've never seen it this busy, probably in 2 years. Lots of swimmers today. Good to see. It was raining quite a bit the last couple of days, so it's nice to see people back on the beach. And here we are coming to the door. Known for the doof doof music, the only one here on the island in Lamai that plays the extra padded doof doof. And I heard the burgers are good, delicious here. Gotta come here for a burger. And this afternoon they did have a birthday party, so there's a DJ on the ones and twos. And we're gonna go through the menu. Their doof doof music was crazy loud, so I had to do a voiceover. They are very well known for their burgers, so I do have to come back and try one. So here's an oxymoron for you. I guess it would be an oxymoron. It's free entry. You can't bring your drinks or things away, but a minimum spend is 1,000 baht per person. So I'm not sure what free entry means. You can walk around for free. And right beside the door is Utopia. Right beside. So you can hear the doof doof from this side. And we caught the spring roll lady taking her break in the shade at Utopia. Now Utopia has some great deals. 80 baht for a beer and different coconuts and different things for 99. And we got her. We're gonna get a spring roll here. So she has fresh donuts and spring rolls. We gotta try one. I'll have one, please. Yes, thank you so much. Oh, we got a spring roll from the spring roll lady. I know it's not the OG on Shewang, but it's not bad. It's a good roll. Next to that is the Jasmine Hotel. We have not done here yet, but we will. Now they do have a breakfast included, and it is a buffet breakfast. And swing yourself away from the rest of the world. And here at the Jasmine, when it rains coconuts, you come to the bar that's shaped as a coconut, and you get yourself some fresh ones. Right beside is the Thai House Beach Resort.
Hello, Planet Papas. Hi, welcome to Planet Papas and greetings from Costa Mui. And have a nice day and be healthy. And we say it's we and you. Let's go!
Very nice couple from Germany, enjoying their beautiful holiday with the family. And here's the pool area as well. Hello. And breakfast is included here.
Hello.
Okay, hello. Now that was the best hello ever. Get Thai massages on the beach. How are you? We do have a menu here, so let's have a look. The Magic Resort. Magic. They have breakfast for starting at $140. That's very cheap. Salads at $70. Tuna salad at $95. Boiled eggs poached $100. Soup starting at $80. Burgers starting at... Oh, this is crazy price. This is excellent. $140 for a cheeseburger. Fish burger, grilled ham and cheese sandwich. I think I mentioned this place before. They have the best prices I've seen so far on this side of Lamai. Great prices here at the Magic Resort. Sawadee-ka! How are you? Very good, thank you. How's the day? Hot, hot.
Hot, yes, hot day. Have massage.
Here we are at Coconut Beach Resort. Okay. Coconut Beach Resort has natural shade of the trees. And then right beside it is Lamai Coconut Beach Resort. Two different places with the same coconuts. And they do have a great menu as well. Ham and cheese sandwich for $150, soups for $150, pizzas for $200, and spaghetti for $170, bolognese at $230. There's some great prices in Lamai, isn't it? It's much cheaper and probably better food as well. So for those of you who don't know, Lamai is probably a better place to swim to during jellyfish season because they have two netting areas that help catch the jellyfish so you can have a bit of a swim and not worry too much about them. At the moment it is only August, so there are no jellyfish as we know, but here is one of the netted areas that they will put up more of a bigger net coming up soon. And there's another one way down there that we're going to keep going toward. And here we're in front of Jet Ski for Rent. Sawadee-ka. What's your name?
Chan.
Tan.
Chan.
Tan, nice to meet you. Get all your stuff done here at Jet Ski Island Tour. Now I think we don't have many problems, thank you, with jet skis and stuff like that. It is iffy, but I've never heard anybody have a problem renting jet skis or anything on this island. Now we are in front of the Weekender. Not only do they have three little pools, they have a massive one here as well. So they did a major renovation recently, and we're going to do this hotel again coming up before November. Still at the other side of the Weekender. Big resort. Let's see if breakfast is included. And one of our subscribers is named after the bar called Barbara. Not really, but that's a good name. That's to you, Barbara. Dedicated to you. So here at the weekend, the buffet breakfast is on every morning. Another choice to have a buffet. Sawadee ka. Right beside the weekender is black yellow. I don't see the black, but I see the yellow. It should be called brown yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. Black and yellow is part of Astro as well. And I love coming to this pool area because they have the best gym I think I've seen in the world. Let's go check it. Oh, they cleaned it up a bit. Still not sure what you do with this. But the weights are beautiful. Oh, they taped up everything. The weights, they cleaned them up. They're totally rusted, so. You can lift Fred Flintstone style. And this is still all of the, this is still all of Coconut Beach Resort. Came off the beach because everybody doesn't know where to park, especially in Lamai. It is very hard to find different parking situations. So right where the Cactus is, they do have their own parking lot, and for a bike it's 20 baht, and for a car it's 50. So no matter where you're coming from, put the GPS on to the Cactus, and then you'll get to park your car or bike right here, and it's very close to the beach, right on where Cactus is. So let's go through Cactus. And bamboo. So if it is a day trip to Lamai, you can go to Bamboo or to Cactus. And Bamboo is very, very popular with the locals. They love coming to Bamboo. And then right beside there is the Astro Bar. Cocktails at 99 baht. Sunbeds are free if you get something to drink. And some good shade. Oh yeah, we're staying in the shade today. And up next is Siwa. They do have an air-conditioned area. This is perfect area for shade. If you're just looking for natural shade, bring your towels. As we're going to be coming up to the Red Elephant. Here we are in front of the Red Elephant. Elefantes. Of course, it's all red. We're going to look at the menu. And the best part of it is they do have an upper deck overlooking all of Lamai. Perfect for any lunch break or just having a fresh coconut and they have a free swimming pool. It doesn't cost anything to stay here. All you got to do is buy yourself a drink. So American breakfast starts at $2.50, club sandwiches at $2.60, beefsteak for $7.20, Hakon Prao for $1.50, and fish and chips at $3.20 with a bacon burger at $3.90. Oh, there's 3 places right beside each other, which is Pi 3. Nice little cool vibe place. And right beside there is Teddy Weed, bad Teddy, on the greens. And they're all right beside each other, which is a leading plug, French place. These are 5 places back to back and all free to sit in. Just got to buy yourself something. A newer one that just finished being built is the 3rd, right beside the other ones, and Naughty Teddy being a few more down. Alright, the full name is the 3rd Day Beach Club. I got some English breakfast, steamed rice, Parmesan cheese French chips, very nice, $1.50. Caesar salad at $2.30. Stir-fried beef with oyster, $2.20. English breakfast starting at $200. And many drinks and soft drinks and beers for $100. So here at Thai Derm, Mr. Thai Derm is the last one of the bunch. So you might get a little bit elbow space from the right. And now we're at the other place where they do have the netting fully done. So it's the safest part of the island where they're all netting in case you get the little guys creeping and crawling on top of you or biting you. Those stupid jellyfish. And here we are at the Hive Hotel. Let me show you the beach and the pool. Here's the Hive. Let's find out if breakfast is included. So they do have a buffet breakfast starting from 7 till 10:30. Another choice to stay. Got the golden touch. You're at Mr. Pong Beach Bar, but where is Mr. Pong? Oh, there's Mr. Pong. Sadikap. How are you?
Yeah.
How much to sit it here?
100 baht.
100 baht.
Yeah.
And how much beer?
Beer 80 baht.
80 baht. There you have it. Very good. Thank you very much, Mr. Pong. Now we're at Marina Beach Resort. I remember Marina when it was closed down for a long time. It took them a while to get back. But they are back and doing very well. And sunbeds are only for the guests only. And Marina Villa has 2 pools. One in the back section. So last time we did come here, they were doing construction on the pool. And it was green. Now it's all back to normal. So here we're in front of Samui Sense. If you rent a bed from 150 baht, they give you free toilet and showers, and a bed umbrella is 400. Yeah, so the beds with the umbrella is 400 baht, but this with natural shade is 100 baht. The choice is yours, if the price is right. Looks like the villa's reopened here. Good to see. And the pool is almost clean. This is the other one that was very green. Remember the turtle was spewing out some green stuff? He's getting better. He's still a little sick, but he's getting over it. He's the last couple days of his cold. And here we are at Miramare Resort. Old school cabins right on the beach. Squishy, squishy. Nice quiet little area called Breeze Bungalow. So if you are staying around the Breeze Bungalow area, there is a big space here, but they don't look like they're going to be building for a long time. And we head in front of Aloha. They do have a day pass. So 9 to 7 Tao, a combo set of a choice of a drink, beer, spring rolls, burgers, and sandwich, fruit as well. And no, 500 baht. So that includes lunch as well. That's very good. And so is the setup exactly the way a Hawaiian hotel would look like. And I did ask, and breakfast is included, also a buffet breakfast. Sorry. And I did a hotel review of Aloha. Very nice little clean place. With the beach bar. Sawadee. How are you?
Okay, and
Good, very good, thank you. Right now we're coming up to my number one place I love a lot. It is the best here, I think, in Lamai. We're talking about Amarapura. As soon as you get off the beach, you come into a beautiful old school Thai, just built amazingly with detail. If you want to see this in more detail, watch the channel and watch for Amarapura. I did a whole review with this place. Loved it. That's where the shower is. And twins, two identical pools. Sawadee. Breakfast is a la carte and more inside, but the breakfast area here is quite incredible. You got to watch that video. Now we're coming to all the bars right beside each other, many restaurants. We're starting off at Zig Zag. And if you like to be like Hannibal Lecter and feel like you need to be on an angle while you are getting your tans on, there you go. You know how he's taped to that that ambulance tray thing? Perfect for that. You're gonna get a nice, we'll call it the Hannibal Lecter tan. And here we are in front of No Stress. You could be on the beach or in the shade. You do have to watch your step because this area is up and down, lots of hills and a lot of pebbles. Hello, Sawadee. And I got some great specials on today. Right next to that is Baobab. Very busy. There's a very cool tiki type of looking place in the upper deck. And coming in next to the swings. Whee! Massages on the beach. And today we are wearing sliders on the beach because the sand is very warm. Some free fun for the kids. And this is Villa Zaza with the legs for tables. Really nice location with a gorgeous palm tree. And at the Black Pearl, they do have 2 decks. Sawadee-ka, how are you?
สวัสดีค่ะ มีเบลเปสวัสดีค่ะ we welcome to Blepper
Show the back.
oh back also
Thank you, Kav. This is a very cool place to have for dinner or lunch. It's Bill's Resort. They've done a bit of renovations as well to make more room for more massage places. Plus, a few Norwegians love to stay here at Bill's Resort. Don't follow me. You can follow me on Planet Papas. Heading to Paradise Restaurant and Bar. Open from 11. And today they have some fresh shark, barbecue, fresh Baraguda, prawns, and sea bass. I guess there's a type of fish with cheese in it. I know, I'm kidding. And a relaxing chill time at Paradise Bar. Have yourself a cocktail and enjoy this beautiful day. Here we are in front of Bora Bora, reopening again. So here we are in front of Lamai Charlie. Very, very cool vibes here. Got the swings going on.
Costa Mui, to all you Planet Papa viewers out there, get out here to beautiful Costa Mui as soon as you can. Let's go!
Oh, Richard-san, very smart. Not as stupid as last student. Very good. And that was Amsterdam-san, one of my first subscribers here on Planet Papas. Great to finally meet you and enjoy your long holiday here on Costa Mui. That was our time on Lamai Beach. So thank you for joining me here today on Planet Papas. We'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell. Make sure when you do come to change the face. You got to change your face. Even the guy that won the silver medal in Pew Pew had a stone cold face. But when it comes to Costa Mui, he changes his face. So take care. And see you all soon.
Hi guys, are you rocking out in Samui?
This is Harvey. I'm Donna. I'm from Australia. And make sure you follow Planet Papas.
Harvey's from Singapore,
The
and we
best.
love Samui because of following Planet
Papa!